Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Japan ramen box, subscription box. This is Nissan Seimen. Curry Udon. And, yeah, this is like a higher end, tasty from Japan. So what do we got here? We have a block of udon, which is going to go into the pot of 550 milliliters of boiling water for 3 minutes. Now, we will revisit it once that has elapsed. Got another one of these boxes. These things are great. My prep boxes. Yeah. Turning the volume down on the burner. So what's new? It's my Monday. Doing Monday things, hanging out, chilling. It's kind of a bummer. The snow is going away, almost gone, which is not a bummer. I always like it when we get snow, but it never hangs out as long as it has, and becomes quite a drag when you can't go anywhere, you can't get the car out, can't walk around without feeling like you're gonna slip and fall on your butt. So, but yeah, snow gone for the most part. Yay. What did we do? With our newfound freedom, we ended up going to the grocery store a couple times. We went to... where do we go? Oh yeah, we went to the Pacific Science Center. Woke up on Saturday morning and Miles was like sitting there and I'm all, hey, what you want to do today? He's like, looked at me like, dinosaur, rawr. So they've got some animatronic dinosaurs down at the Pacific Science Center. So I thought, hey. And my wife was like, yeah, okay, whatever. So we went down there and saw the dinosaurs roar. The thing they liked the most, though, oh my god, it was so funny. There's like this little disco floor with all these little, I think it's like laser done things, but they like dance around the floor and they chase after them, and yeah, they had a blast. They were really into that. What else? Yeah, still, I don't know if that was in the last post. I'm confused now as far as my post ordering went, because the last one that was supposed to come out, it didn't get scheduled right, so it came out like immediately, which is not cool. My fault. Totally my fault. But that was like, what was it? Episode 255. Just like, poof. Nobody made any mention of it or said anything other than like, wow, that's kind of expensive stuff. But other than that, at least I don't think they did. I don't know. 2, 1, 0. And now, what we do, a little bit of a stir. We're going to add the curry seasoning. Come on. Give it a nice stir. Then it looks like it wants us to return it to heat for 2 minutes. So that's what we'll do. 2 minutes. I don't think it wants us to stir it for 2 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's on heat, and it's showing stirring. So I'm guessing that's the deal. You might be going like, why is your noodle package all jacked up like that? Well, it's because I decided it'd be kind of cool, instead of just doing the back, doing the whole thing as a single sheet. I'm still kind of working the kinks out of it, but honestly, it's So far, it's been hit and miss. If the packaging has metallic on it, it doesn't work very well, because either way, any packaging that has metallic on it just doesn't do well whether I pull it apart like that or not, because the scanner just kind of reflects it, and that's uncool. But if it doesn't, and I can get it all in one sheet, all on the bed of the scanner, nice and wrinkleless, it does pretty well. It takes very little editing, and it's all one shot, and you get the whole package, so that's kind of fun. Yeah. I like this one. Yeah, so that's been going on. Got some other stuff going on I'll probably touch on in not this episode, but the one after this maybe. But yeah, it's good. All is well in the neighborhood. Oh yeah. All right. So let's give this a taste. Man, a lot of the stuff got on the fork. This happens sometimes. It's embarrassing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scrape it in here and give it a little bit of a stir. Yeah, there we go. Like it really, really, really matters. I don't know. Oh! There you go. Alright, let's give this a try. That's good. That's the kind of curry I like from Japan, you know? It's not insano curry. It's not 18 prohibited curry la mian. If you wonder what the heck I'm talking about, just go on YouTube and type in Ramen Raider 18 prohibited, and you'll see what I mean. Good. I like that. Mung bean sprouts. It's funny, some of the tracks on this thumb drive that I have, it's like I went, oh, did I download that one? I don't know. A lot of time I download music like it early in the morning. I just got done doing a whole bunch of different kind of tedious stuff, so. I got some chicken that I cooked. I'm going to throw in here. It's wonderful chicken, ladies and gentlemen. It's just wonderful chicken. I like it when people emphasize things just in a really strange way. So I try to impart that onto you. There you go. Alright. Oh, look down there. Look at that. I know you're probably going to get all fogged out or... Yeah. It's tough because, you know how it goes, ladies and gentlemen. You know exactly how this goes. Right? Hope so. And we need a bit of... spring onion. I'm going to use Sensio. You know what Sensio is? You don't? Oh, that's right. So this is like this weird Japanese pepper stuff, and what I've done in the past is I've gone ahead and unscrewed the lid, because the other ones you unscrew the lid, but if you unscrew the lid and you go tap tap tap, tons of it comes out. So, anyways, let's have some rotation time. In we go. Alright, well hey, cool, we got some curry. Alright, first cook up of the week. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Am I happy on cooking all the time? Have a good one. Bye.